The Berkeley life beckons you to experience the stay of a lifetime at Bosco, a charming student housing destination redefining the contours of high living. Nestled at University Avenue, Bosco brings to you a selection of single and shared apartments, tailored according to one's preferences. All private rooms here open up to a snug bed, a bedside lamp, and a window to let the fresh air glide through. Bid adieu to daily hassles with regular cleaning service and experience a secure life with an on-site parking and bike storage facility. Plus, hone your social skills as you unwind and chill with pals on the spacious outdoor terrace. That's not all. Bosco places you right in the heart of a happening neighborhood where each day counts. And when it's time to achieve your academic goals, University of California is a pleasant drive away. On weekends, spend a blissful day in the lap of nature at UC Botanical Garden or head to Greek Theater to revel in the melody of musicals. With various bus stops close by, saving time and money is the new cool. So what are you waiting for? Head straight to amberstudent.com to grab the best of Berkeley at Bosco, a stay par excellence.